Hi, I'm Alex Miller, founding partner with TM Architecture, and welcome to our rowhouse renovation here in Park Slope, Brooklyn. This project specifically was about how to integrate modern details into an otherwise historical context that made the home very much for the family that now inhabits it. There's a lot to see, so let's get started. In the entry vestibule, there's this beautiful coating of wallpaper that goes from wall to ceiling, and it's called Sunrise. It's kind of the introduction to your experience of the townhouse. There's incredible existing architectural detailing in the home, which we wanted to preserve. One of the pieces that we could add was beautiful lighting that evoked a sense of the past, but ushered in an experience of the future. The formal dining room is a space that shows what we think we do best: exuberant custom touches and amazing lighting. The focal point here is this amazing custom dining table with a marble slab suspended over the floor with a single folded sheet of brass. Lighting serves as a sense of warmth in a space. We added a cluster of more contemporary pendants at different heights, bringing something special into this very tall space, inhabiting it with something that's beautiful. One of the best moments of the dining room actually started with a wood trim that was really poorly finished. We took that as an opportunity to add a coat of beautiful deep green paint that surrounded the fireplace, the stained glass window, and even the doorways that lead you into the rest of the parlor level. In the media room of the parlor level, we took the opportunity to riff on some existing details. One of them is the wainscoting, on top of which we added a linear LED uplight and upclosed the medallions on the existing wall surfaces. We also used the spaces in between the coffers to add custom wallpaper accents. As the space is used by the family as a media room, we needed to integrate a very contemporary, deployable projection shade for the space. The furnishings are a combination of off-the-shelf elements as well as art pieces that the client has added from their collection. Even the original drink cabinet that was around the fireplace, we removed the leaded glass, creating a clear vantage point for the art pieces inside the cabinetry. Follow me down to the garden level. The garden level is all about clever use of space and budget. In the case of the kitchen, we've simply repainted some of the cabinets, replaced the stone slabs on the island and the countertop, and even using a brass sheet on an existing refrigerator to tie it in with the rest of the kitchen. So with this efficient use of space, we created this huge banquette that allows for the family to dine and for the kids to play. The dining table itself uses the same stone that we used on both the kitchen countertops and the island, binding the space together aesthetically. The top floor of the townhouse is all about creating an integrated primary suite that moves from the bedroom through the corridor and all the way to the office library space. What's lovely about this wallpaper is that it's entitled Sunset, and it acts as a counterpoint to the wallpaper at the entry foyer that is Sunrise, beginning the journey into the home and ending it here at the primary bedroom. Another really fun moment in the primary bedroom is this art piece that's above the headboard that's flanked by these beautiful decorative wall sconces. Punctuating the primary suite is this office space that has floor-to-ceiling bookshelves and a desk that spans the entire facade of the building looking out onto the street. This project is about these contemporary moments integrated within this classic Brooklyn townhouse that make it a special home for the family that now inhabits it. We thank you so much for visiting with us.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.